Good morning, dear students. Till now, we have completed rescission payments account and income and expenditure account. I think you have gone through these two accounts. Lots of questions are there in the books and question bank. Okay. One thing is there, you have to solve it. Okay. As much as you solve, your conception will become more clear. Okay. যিমানে problem solve কৰিবা কিমান প্ৰকাৰৰ ভাল তোমাৰ conception বোৰ clear হ'ব পৰীক্ষাত কিছুমান 6 মাৰ্ক কোৱেশ্চন আহিব মই যিবা আগত কৰাইছো তাৰ 6 মাৰ্ক কোৱেশ্চন আহে ইজি আহে খুব টাফ কোৱেশ্চন নাহে আজি মই যিটো কোৱেশ্চন কৰিবলৈ গৈ আছো কিবা পৰীক্ষা কিবা এক্সামত 3 মাৰ্কছৰ কোৱেশ্চন আহে okay in examination there will be 3 marks question of this type এনেকুৱা কিছুমান কোৱেশ্চন আছে এই 3 মাৰ্কছৰ কোৱেশ্চন আহিব ঠিক আছে তোমালোকে এই কোৱেশ্চন কেনেকৈ সলভ কৰিবলৈ মই দেখাম আজি ফাৰ্স্ট অফ অল আমি স্টেপ লগাইছো মই calculation of income from subscription related to the year 2019 okay particulars details rupees amount rupees okay you see for the following information ascertain the amount of subscription relating to the year 2019 for a club eta club or subscription ba kiman income hoba ta bochor 2019 year to amak uliabo koise here suppose here for the current year here current year is 2019 okay if current year is 2019 now what is the previous year here previous year is 2018 and next year is 2020 okay as the income and expenditure account includes all revenue expenses and incomes relating to current year only okay any expense or income related to present or past or future years are to be excluded from this statement okay now you see what is the total amount of subscription received in the year 2019 it is rupees 8000 in this current year 2019 total subscription received rupees how much 8000 okay any income include this amount of 8000 are to be excluded if it relates to the past or future year jodi a amount to kiba agor ba pasor bosor konuba amount include asa amak less koi dibo lagibo aru jodi a bosor kiba je amar due asa outstanding ase ami jodi a bosor kiba income joa bosor paisu ami tak add koribo lagibo eta so first point so subscription related to 2019 received in 2018 this subscription is received in 2018 but it is received for which year 2019 means it relates to current year okay therefore this amount is 200 to be added I mean add koribo lagibo karon this amount 200 is not included here okay this amount as this amount is received in the previous year in 2018 for 2019 therefore this amount is 200 to be added with rupees 8000 okay now next point second point number 2 subscription relating to the year 2018 received in 2019 this 500 received in the current year but for which year but for the previous year this is the previous year okay this amount is included in rupees 8000 a 500 ko khumai ase 8000 khumai ase because this amount is received during the year means amount received during the year means it may be includes amount relating to the past year current year or future year বুজি পাইছা নে আমি during the year বুলি কলে কি বুজিম যে সেই amount আগৰ বছৰ পইচা কমাই থাকিব পাৰে current year কমাই থাকিব পাৰে বা next year কমাই থাকিব পাৰে এতিয়া এই যে 8000 rupees receive কৰিছে out of 8000 rupees 500 received for 2018 this 500 is not an income for the current year therefore this amount is 500 to be excluded from rupees 8,000. Therefore, we have to subtract it. Okay. Next point, third point. You see, subscription relating to the year 2020 received in 2019. The same manner. This is the income for which year? This is the income for 2020, means for the next year. But it is received in which year? In rupees. This one is received in the 2019, means 600 also include in rupees 8,000. Out of 8,000, 600 also received for 2020, but it received during the current year. It is not an income for the present year. It is not an income for the current year 2019. It is the income for which year? It is the income for the 2020. Therefore, this amount also to be excluded or subtract. Okay. Now we have to calculate how much income from subscription. Okay, relating to the year 2019. I mean 2019 আমি কিমান ইনকাম কৰিছো সাবস্ক্রিপশনৰ পৰা হেকানে আমি এটো উলিয়াব দিছে হেকানে যিকোনো যদি এমাউন্ট আগৰ বা পাছৰ বছৰ আমাৰ যদি সাবস্ক্রিপশনৰ সময় থাকে এই বছৰ আমি ৰিসিভ কৰিছো এটা আমি লেস কৰি দিব লাগিব হেকানে সেকেন্ড আৰু থাৰ্ড পইণ্ট আমি সাবট্ৰাক্ট কৰিছো আৰু ফাৰ্স্ট পইণ্ট টু this amount received in the previous year, but it is the income for which year? It is the income for the current year. Here 200 to here মই টকা নাই যে হেকানে আমি কি কৰিব লাগিব এড কৰিব লাগিব as it is the income for the current year. Okay, first of all we will take this figure, total subscription received in the year 2019. Total subscription in the year 2019 is how much? 8,000. Okay. Now see subscription related to 2019 received in 2018. There is only one plus item is there. First of all, you have to edit. Subscription relating to the year 2019 received in 2018. $8,200. Next, less subscription within the year. This 500. Next, B. Another point is to deduct subscription relating to the year 2020 received in 2019. How much? 600. 1,100. If you subtract it, answer 7,100. Okay. This is the amount of income from subscription for the year 2019. Okay, this is the amount of income from subscription for the year 2019. Means for this year the income of subscription is 7,100. This amount to be placed in the income and expenditure account. Okay, this is the amount to be credited to the income and expenditure account because this amount relates to the current accounting year 2019. Okay. Now let's proceed to the second question. Another problem is there. Same thing. It is here to calculate the income from subscription for the year 2019 from the following information. Okay, you see the opening balance is given 1/1/2019 and closing balance is given 31/12/2019 is there. Subscription outstanding is there. Opening 3,000, closing 2,000. Subscription received advance 4,000 opening, closing 5,000. Here subscription received during the year 2019 rupees 20,000 is given. 20,000 is given. Okay. This 20,000, it is received during the year, not for the year. It is received during the year. Means this amount may include an amount relating to the current year, past year, or future years. Okay. For the year means only for the current year. Okay. Now see subscription outstanding at the beginning of the year, rupees 3,000 subscription outstanding. Okay. This amount related to which year? This amount relates to 2018 because it is due at the beginning of the year. বছৰৰ প্ৰথমত দিব লগা হৈ আছে মানে এই পইচা কোনটো বছৰত দিব লগা হৈ আছে এই বছৰত দিব লগা আছে 2018 চনৰ শেষত at the end of the year 2018 rupees 3,000 due. Therefore this is the opening balance of 2019. Okay, this amount 3,000 is received during the year. Means out of 20,000, 3,000 has been received for the previous year, for 2018. Therefore, it is to be subtract again. Okay. Next you see subscription outstanding at the end of the current year. It is 2,000 subscription due. বছৰৰ শেষত আমাৰ 2,000 দিব লাগিলে. This subscription which is due during the current accounting year, at the end of the current accounting year, it relates to 2019. It relates to 2019 means current year. It is not included here. Therefore, it is to be added. Okay. Now you see subscription received in advance. It is subscription received in advance at the beginning of the year. Means this subscription it is received in 2018 for 2019. It is an income for which year? It is an income for the current year for 2019. Okay. This amount has been received in the previous year for the current year. This amount is not included here. Okay. Therefore, it is to be subtracted because it is an income for the current year. Now 5,000. This amount. This 5,000 is received in advance at the end of the year. This amount is received in 2019. But for which year? But for 2020. Means this amount has been received for the next accounting year. It includes 20,000. Therefore, it is also to be subtract. Okay. Now we have to calculate the income from subscription for the current accounting year 2019. Okay. Calculation of income from subscription (2019). Particulars, details, rupees, amount is okay. Now you see how much was subscription during the year 2019? Rupees 3,000. Subscription rupees 20,000. Okay. These items to be added. Therefore, add subscription outstanding on 31/12/2019. How much? Rupees 2,000. Next. Subscription received in advance on 2019, how much amount is there? 4,000. Total how much? 6,000 means 26,000. Okay. Now we subtract these two figures. Less subscription outstanding on 1/1/2019 rupees 3,000. Next, subscriptions received in advance on 31/12/2019. How much? 5,000. So the amount of income from subscription for the year 2019. Okay, this way we will calculate the income from subscription for the current year. Lots of questions are given in the books and question bank also. You have to go through it. Tat jaba he problem solve koriba. Dei etu second question subscription income 3 marks পরীক্ষা রাখে তোমালোকৰ. Okay, this is another question here. On the following information, ascertain the amount of stationeries consumed during the year. Means 2019. Here, opening and closing balance of stock of stationery given. Opening balance 2,000, closing balance 1,500. And stationery purchased during the year 2019 rupees 10,000. Means total stationery purchased during the year is how much? 10,000. Okay. Out of and this year there is a balance of rupees 2,000 at the beginning of the year. Whatever stock left is there at the beginning of the year, first of all we have to use it. Next we have to purchase it. Then whatever stock left, these are to be excluded because we have to ascertain how much stationery consumed during the year. I mean, a বছৰত আমি কিমান stationery আমি consume কৰিলো, consumption কৰিলো, মানে আমি খৰচ কৰিলো stationery, আমাক এটো উলিয়াব দিছে। সেই কাৰণে বছৰ প্ৰমাণ আছে 2000 হল, আমি পাৰচেজ কৰিলো 10000 আৰু বছৰ শেষত থাকিলে আমাৰ 1500 হল। এটা আমি চাবা, আমি উলিয়াম Suppose ধৰি লোৱা তোমালোকৰ বছৰৰ প্ৰথমত তোমালোকৰ apple in hand on 1/1/2019 তোমালোকৰ apple আছিল 10টা 10 pieces purchase কৰা মানে ধৰি লোৱা purchased during the year মানে কিনিলা 100 piece কিনিলা 100 piece কিনিলা total apple in hand how much 110 ঠিক আছে তোমালোকে বছৰ প্ৰথমত apple 10 piece আছিল তোমালোকে purchase কৰিলা 100 piece purchase কৰিলা তোমালোকে পাহনগে 110 piece হ'ল ঠিক আছে তোমালোকে out of 110 apple in hand on 31/12/2019 বছৰৰ পৰা apple থাকি গ'ল 30 piece থাকি গ'ল মোৰ ওচৰত how much apple consumed during that apple ke piece khala তোমালোকে apple বছৰ পৰা 10 piece আছিল তোমালোকে apple এই বছৰ purchase কৰিলা 100 piece apple purchase কৰিলা total apple হ'ল তোমালোকে 110 তাই তোমালোকে বছৰ থাকি গ'ল 30 piece থাকি গ'ল তোমালোকে কিমান consumption কৰিলা during the year 80 piece apple consumed how much consumed We have consumed 8 rupees means opening stock plus this one minus this one. Opening stock plus purchase during the year less closing stock is equal to consumption. Okay. Now first of all we take stock of stationery. And how much stationery with us? 2000 rupees of stationery is there. How much stationery purchased during the year? Stationery purchased during the 2019. How much? 10,000. This is the stock of stationery hand during the year. Means stock of stationery available. Stationery not available, you may write stock of stationery in hand. Okay? During the year. Less stock of stationery in hand on 31/12/2019. How many stationery in hand at the end of the year? 1,500 means during the year we have consumed stationery of rupees 10,500 means amount of stationery consumed (2019). Okay. This type of questions may be given in the examination paper. Also paper thakiba pare. Okay, 3 marks of question, 2 marks of question ahibo pare. Mage uliabol dibo. Mage ane koribo lagibo. Hal buji pala. Amar bosor prothom stationery is 2000. Ami purchase korilu 10,000. Amar total stationery hol 12,000. Sekhon amar thaki gol 1,500. Ami ei bosor ami stationery kharas korilu 10,500. Stationery buji paisa? And see the results after these things. Hale total stationery consume korilu kharas korilu 10,500. Tomoka ekhini tomolokor question পরীক্ষাত আহে তোমাক question বেংক চাবা question বেংক আছে কিতাপত আছে বিবিধামত আছে কেয়াৰছত আছে বুকৰ প্ৰবলেম সলভ কৰি চাবা আৰু যদি কিবা কোৱেৰি আছে কিবা প্ৰবলেম আছে মোক মানে কল কৰি পাৰিবা ঠিক আছে আৰু লগতে কথাটা কৈ যাও ইয়াতে মই নট ফৰ প্ৰফিট অৰ্গানাইজেচনটো ফিনিশ কৰিছো বেলেন্স শিটৰ পৰীক্ষা যেন নাহে কাৰণ প্ৰয়োজন নাই মানটো কিন্তু ইমানতে মই তোমালোকৰ ইনকা যিটো একাউন্টিং ফৰ নট ফৰ প্ৰফিট অৰ্গানাইজেচন চেপ্টাৰ সেইটো মই ফিনিশ কৰিছো তোমালোকে প্ৰেক্টিস কৰিবা প্ৰেক্টিসটো ৰেগুলাৰলি প্ৰেক্টিস কৰিবা অকল আজি পঢ়িছা আজি শেষ কৰি থৈ দিছা সাফিচিয়েন্ট নহয় প্ৰতিটো সপ্তাহত প্ৰতিটো মাহেকত তোমালোকে once in a month once in a week okay you have to go through it তোমালোকে ঘৰত পঢ়িব লাগিব কাৰণ প্ৰেক্টিস কৰি নতুবা পাহৰি যাবা okay তোমালোকে নট ফৰ প্ৰফিট ইয়াৰে মই শেষ কৰিছো যদি বুজি নাই পোৱা মোক কল কৰিবা ডাউট থাকিলে ক্লিয়াৰ কৰিবা ঠিক আছে WhatsApp share কৰিব পাৰিবা then thanks for today okay bye